Hi guys, it's super late, so I'm taking this video while I clean my shoes. Do you remember this? Because last week, can we? Thank you. Last week I went to the Hanami, you know, with this, and then it rained, as you know from the last video, so it's a bit disgusting. But anyway, I can't believe it has been 1 week since then. Feels like 20 years, maybe because I'm not sleeping enough again. But today I'm meeting a friend, an Italian friend. He's here with a group, like a tour. I said that in Japanese, like a tour of people visiting Japan. So, and today is his last day in Japan, which is also his like free day. So we're meeting, and I think we're gonna go to places like, you know, anime related, Pokemon Center, and if we manage to, the Sailor Moon store. So, you know, things like that. And I thought about bringing you with me. So yeah, let's go, because I'm late already. It should be warmer than this. Wouldn't need the scarf, but you know, you never know. Also, I'm kind of sick already. So yeah, just in case. It's bright and warm and nice. I'm so happy, and I'm so happy to see him. You should be in that hotel. Look at that. Here you are, my friend, Gabriel.
Ciao.
Ciao, only ciao. Guarda, c'è Pikachu per le bridal.
Wow.
This Pokemon store, called Mega, by the way, is located in Ikebukuro, inside the Sunshine City. Sono carinissimi questi.
Sono pesantissimi.
È vero?
Proprio questi.
Decidi troppo in fretta, ragazzi. Gabriele's favorite Pokemon, Lucario. Oh my god, your glasses are the same. I didn't even know, but if you visit a Pokemon store on the month of your birthday, you will get some special presents and also a 5% discount on what you buy on the day. Every time it changes, maybe.
I can't believe it. It's magic. Cosa dobbiamo spiegare?
You can't believe, but this guy here won a fucking contest, and he's not even bragging about that. You should be more proud.
Okay.
I'm gonna go send me the picture or whatever, and I'm gonna post it here.
Okay.
Happy birthday. Guarda che bello che è.
Happy birthday to you.
Soon. We hope you will spend every exciting day with Pokemon. Siamo pronti?
3, 2, 1. Potom. Figa!
Happy birthday! Oh my god, look at that! It's nice because it's all new, like first generation Pokemon, except Pikachu is disgusting. What is this face?
It's a round chubby face.
Yeah, it's also bald though. Like, look at this. No, I don't like Pikachu. Pikachu, no. But the rest is so nice.
Mew. Let's unbox this.
We already know what's inside, but you know. Let me get some Hanami, by the way. Look at that.
A boat.
A boat? Don't be so British.
This is a
Kabuto.
gift. Kabutops.
But if I show this and it's a gift, then they will know already. When are you gonna give it to them?
Maybe next week.
Oh, but they don't watch my videos, so it's fine. Did you buy something for yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Cards.
Yes.
And cards.
Cards. and
the card box. And cards.
And cards. Wow, amazing. What a
And
surprise.
Cards. Please.
Wow.
And a pen.
Oh, that's cute.
And they give me nothing. Even if I spent 10,000 yen.
That's Japan, babies. They don't need to give you anything if you buy. But you have a crown now.
Yeah, it's my birthday crown. And
Which
there's
is
a
mine.
Mew.
You can keep it if you like it.
Okay, but it's your birthday, so...
I know, but I got the the
10 of
letter
this?
already. No, but I got the letter already. Thank you. I'm a queen, Pokemon queen.
Aspettando, we were waiting.
We're waiting for food. We have number showed us 63.
The 63?
And we started with,
No.
you can't say that. We started with 30 something. Okay, now you can.
Oh.
With 30 something. Okay, and now it's 44.
It's Rocco. Rocco San.
Sun is 3, but
Okay.
Rocco Sun is just 6 and 3. But if
Okay.
you wanna say 63, Rocco?
Go.
Drew. It's so nice to see someone who enjoys life here again. For me, it's everything is too normal. Enjoying life to the fullest. Well done, Gabri, well done. Go, go, go. After 5 dishes, a game will start, and if you win, you get some gadget. No! But if you don't, you can still buy it yourself.
No! Big Mom! Brutta!
The ugliest ever.
Però, the gold one, the rarest one, but it's
You can sell
ugly.
it too. We then moved to Harajuku, because that's where the Sailor Moon store is, in La Forêt. Honestly, it's not only a store, it's more like an exhibition. There are clothes, jewelry, bags too. And the setting itself is so cool. So if you're a fan like me, it's definitely recommended. Even if you end up not buying anything, it's still worth going. And from there, we then walked back till Shinjuku. And we could reward ourselves with sweets. We'll have to say bye to Gabri, who brought me biscuits from Italy. Thank you very much.
The caramel.
And why did you bring? Oh no, it's fine.
Candy, man.
Say bye.
Bye bye.
I just got home. I'm so tired. Like, we didn't even notice, but in the end, we walked so much. Let me check. 14 kilometers. Like, no, I'm dead. And tomorrow is gonna be a full day too, because there's something good coming up. Okay, it's the Penis Festival. But anyway, oh, I got my biscuits. Wait a second. Oh my god, the one that I loved the most. And I didn't even tell him which one. I was just like, take Galbuzera, and there are so many, as you know, because I showed you. But he got them. Thank you, Gabri. Thank you. Also, he was like, you didn't even introduce me. I did. I said his name. Didn't say who he is. But we met when I was doing cosplay in Italy, which means like 6 years ago. And yeah, we met at events, and then we kept talking and became friends from there. He's an illustrator, as I said before. Like, he did the contest and blah blah blah. He's really talented, in my opinion, and I think in many people's opinions anyway. So I'm gonna post his links like down in the description box, so please check him out if you like what he does. And yeah, that was it for today. I expected more people at the Sailor Moon store, but luckily it wasn't so full, which is good. But also Saturdays in Tokyo with Sakura season are like devastating. Just too many people everywhere. Yeah, there's not really much you can do about that. And I see you actually tomorrow, but I don't know when I'm gonna post it. So just goodbye.